There's a certain thrill to mountain biking which can be addictive. It provides an unmatchable adrenaline rush that can keep you hooked on. However, if you don't feel secure, you will let fear creep into the fun and ruin the overall experience. Thus, it becomes important to have the right gear and, more importantly, to have a mountain bike that you can completely rely upon. Presenting to you the A1's Nuke Pro multi-speed bike that's crafted specially for such escapades. Keep watching this video to learn more about its impeccable features. The Nuke Pro bike comes in two variants, 21 speed and single speed bike. As you can see, the frame is well designed both in aesthetics and functionality. The square shape of the frame gives it strength and durability, and the water decal gives it a modern aesthetic vibe to it. The black paint is specially done in an electrostatic plant which gives it a smooth finish. The special lacquer coating over it gives durability to the paint and the decals. The bike is enabled with telescopic heavy-duty front suspension that allows maximum absorbency while off-roading. The bike comes with a broader handle with a short bend that provides easier reach to the rider. Also, there is a stylishly designed handle stem with Allen bolt and high tensile steel material that provides strength and durability. It has soft handle grips specially designed to rest your palm. Also, it has grooves designed to prevent your hand from slipping while sweating. As we all know, Shimano is a well-known brand, and the Nuke Pro bike comes with the Shimano transmission group set. For starters, here we have the Shimano Easy Fire shifters with alloy levers that provide efficient shifting. On the right hand side, we have 7-speed shifters, and on the left hand side we have 3-speed shifters, making it total 21 speed. We also have the Shimano front and rear derailleurs that provide for smooth and efficient transmission both during on-roading and off-roading. This bike comes with a special central bearing system that provides more comfort to the rider, especially during long rides, as it requires less effort while pedaling. This system is completely different from the steel balls and normal axle. So, the multi-speed quarter-less chain wheel is designed for efficient riding. There's also a plastic chain guard that not only prevents your chain but also your clothes from getting stuck in the chain. The 7-speed index freewheel ensures smoothness in chain shifting. We have disc brakes both at the front and the rear, providing efficient and instant braking. As you can see, the disc brakes are colored, and that gives the aesthetics an edge. The half alloy pedals comes with these grooved teeth that provide strength and extra grip that prevent your feet from slipping. The wheel is sized at 26/3, providing balance and stability while riding. The nylon tires and butyl tubes provide higher air retention and thus less wear and tear of the bike. The wheel assembly has black spokes and black hub. It has double wall alloy rims that provide higher strength to the bike. The saddle is structured and cushioned for extra comfort. It has a quick release knob that helps to adjust the height of the saddle without the usage of any tools. This especially helps when you need to adjust in the middle of riding. The aerodynamic design of the fenders with the colored tail give it a very high aesthetic appeal. Also, the fenders are very flexible and can be bent without breaking. Also, you can adjust the height of the fenders with the adjustable bracket. Another important feature often overlooked by many is the reflectors. So this bike comes with 4 spoke reflectors, 4 pedal reflectors and 2 reflectors in the front and the rear. Now this allows for wide angle reflection and ensures maximum safety and visibility during night riding. Now A1 provides an added accessory to ensure your health. We have the A1 branded water bottle with food grade quality and the water cage. So now you can easily carry your water while riding and prevent yourself from dehydration. And last but not the least, we have an adjustable stand for your bike which can help you to easily stand your bike. So what are you waiting for? Grab this bike today and get your beast mode on.